Hello guys, today we are discussing about the drum pump. Especially this we are using for the chemical purpose like acids, park polyaluminium chloride, any chemicals, liquid chemicals. So you can see here, this is the drum pipe here, this the jaws, and this the outgoing lines. This one is we are connecting to the drum pump here, you can see here. So we can fix here, and this once you connect very well, okay, and then we need to insert this pipe inside to the IBC drum or any tank if there is any inside any chemicals. This is a power source, you can see here, single pass, neutral, earth, and pass. So this one we just connect to the power source and it will work normally. This is the outgoing lines, and this one we are inserting inside the IBC drum, and this is the main motors. We can hold, there is a handle, you can handle this one from the top and insert in the drum tank. Okay, so this one especially we are using for the chemical purpose. You can see the drum here. Okay, and I hope you can see this video and you like. So this is a simple drum pump, and you see the pump side inside a motor and simple drum pipe over there. And this is the hand gloves first we need to use first, because for the chemical purpose. Thank you so much.